Want more clicks on your Google Shopping ads? Optimize your product titles. It's that simple. Too many stores just copy-paste whatever they've got on their website, missing out on a huge opportunity. I'm Andrey from Andrey Marketing, and in this video, we're covering everything you need to know. The 5 must-haves, 9 proven optimizations, 3 ways to pull them into action, plus a bonus tip you won't want to miss. These are the minimum title requirements to get your product shown. If you don't follow them, Google will likely disapprove your products and flag the issue on the diagnostics page in your merchant center. Keep the title length within 150 characters. Look at this ad. There's quite a lot of information they fit into this limit. To do that, they had to even remove the space after the word goggles and shorten the word professional after the word goggles. Don't use promotional text. Things like price, sale dates, shipping, delivery date, other time-related information, or your company's name if you are a reseller. Include this information with the other attributes such as sales price or shipping. Don't capitalize entire words. The first letter in caps is actually good practice. You should still use capitalization when it's appropriate, including for abbreviations, phone numbers, countries, and currency. For example, Lego, UK, USD, and so on. The titles should not be identical. For example, you have 2 variants of a t-shirt and the only difference is size. Make sure you add the size also in title, so titles are unique. Don't forget these details into the appropriate attributes: color, size, or age group. Don't leave extra white spaces like in the first example. Instead, use those characters in a more effective way to describe your product. Let's look at the optimizations now. Describe the product shown on your landing page, meaning the ad should describe specifically the product where people will open after clicking on the ad. It should not be the description of a product category. Add the distinguishing details of each variant. The more specific you are with your title, the easier it is for your customers to identify the correct product on your landing page, as well as any of its possible variants. For example, you are selling curtains and have listed 7 different curtains on your landing page, all distinguished through different sizes and colors. Customers need a simple way to quickly identify the product they were looking at initially. A specific title can help with that. Put most important details first. Because each title of each ad will always be cut off to a certain extent, the details, if they are put in the beginning of the title, are more likely to be visible. Make sure to capitalize every word in your product title. That makes your product title more readable. Use digits instead of numbers. That also improves readability of your ad. Use symbols for readability. The 2 ads on this page advertise the same product, the same price, and almost identical images. But the second ad will probably be clicked more often because of its cleaner title. Include SKU or MPN if relevant. That usually makes sense for the products that have too many variants and are almost indistinguishable title or by the image. Note the creative use of symbols in this ad right before the SKU. There are many ways to optimize titles, and title formulas can help you start optimizing. Title formulas are custom title templates that tend to be more effective for a specific product type. I did some research and have put together title formulas for 28 product types. You can download the file from the link in the video description. Sometimes when searching for a product type, people use search phrases that are not part of the product name. Especially it makes sense for the new product categories. Take a look at this ad. Here in ad title, it consists of the product name and the 3 popular search terms because they all describe this product type in different ways. This is a very good practice. The 3 main ways to implement optimized titles are feed rules, feed management tools, and supplemental feeds. Feed rules is a functionality in the Merchant Center. To access it, click on Products, Feeds, click on your main product feed, and select Feed Rules. Here you see the simple feed that adds the brand name at the end of the title. A few other rules can be added and conditions can be added. I don't like this tool because it's kind of hard to manage. If you need something more powerful and easy to use than the feed rules in Google Merchant Center, you can always use a data feed management tool like Symprocess or Channable or GoDataFeed. My absolute favorite method of implementing product titles is supplemental feed. It's free, easy to use, and works with all feed types. I explain supplemental feeds in another video. My bonus tip is never stop optimizing. A well-crafted title can significantly boost clicks and ultimately your bottom line. But perfection rarely happens overnight. Keep experimenting with the techniques we've covered, mix and match them, and constantly refine your titles to achieve the best possible results. So there you have it, your roadmap to better product titles and higher click-through rates. This channel is your one-stop shop for mastering Google Shopping and PMax campaigns. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos that'll help you skyrocket your sales. I'm Andrey, and I'll see you in the next one.